Superstition is the shadow cast by ignorance. To break free, one must shine the light of understanding. Question what you have always believed, for not every tradition holds truth. Knowledge is the key. Seek the facts behind the fear, and you will find the chains of superstition begin to fall. Where there is doubt, let curiosity lead you. Where there is fear, let knowledge conquer it. Wisdom teaches that the unknown is not to be feared, but to be explored. Free your mind, and superstition will have no hold over you. Superstition thrives where reason sleeps. Do not accept the unexplained as truth without seeking to understand. The wise question, the unwise accept blindly. Break the cycle of fear by embracing knowledge. The stars above do not determine your fate, nor does a broken mirror shape your future. It is your actions, grounded in reason, that guide your path. Be bold in your pursuit of truth, for the more you learn, the less room there is for fear. True freedom lies in the mind that chooses understanding over illusion. Step into the light of wisdom and let superstition dissolve into the past.